That time is finally here, ladies and gentlemen. It's the end of the year where many of us, take on a chill back, reflective sort of tone, being grateful for everything that has happened through the year, showing gratitude, showing up for family, being with family that we haven't seen in a long time. And some will speak of festive, dizzy, hey, what, but for me, all I know is that my next project is next year, because right now, I'm done, finished, finito, fedit. On a personal level, this is a time for me to look back, to be grateful and show gratitude to my family, to my surroundings, and to you guys for watching me throughout the year. Sure, there's been a few tears here and there, mixed bag of emotions, but overall, it's nothing a hammer and a nail can't fix, and that's essentially what this channel is all about. And I encourage you to use whatever you have to make the life you want to the best that you can, and have fun while doing it. Really, really have fun, because there's plenty to create. There's a few projects that are already lined up for next year, and don't be afraid to engage. If you have suggestions, if there's things you want to see, comments and whatnot, subscribe, hit the like button, leave a little something in the comments, and let's see where your head is at. So from me, Uhlamurile, to you and your family, I wish you a Merry, Merry Christmas and a very happy and prosperous New Year. Happy 2024, everybody. Enjoy this time with your family. Enjoy Christmas lunch, everybody, Woo!